everyone, it's Akiko.
This is Ian.
Welcome to Nihon Nexus. We are going to cover days in Japanese called yobi. So we have 7 days a week. That means we are going to learn 7 new words. Are you ready? Okay, alright, let's begin. So I will just say days in Japanese. And I'm going to write it down in Romaji and then also in Hiragana and also in Kanji. So let's begin. So Sunday called Nichiyobi, Monday called Getsuyobi, Tuesday called Kayobi, Wednesday called Suiyobi, Thursday called Mokuyobi, Friday called Kinyobi, Saturday called Doyobi. So I'm going to write it down. Okay, so now it's ready. Please repeat after me. Are you ready? So Sunday is Nichiyobi.
Nichiyobi.
Monday is Getsuyobi.
Getsuyobi.
Tuesday is Kayobi.
Kayobi.
Wednesday is Suiyobi.
Suiyobi.
Thursday is Mokuyobi.
Mokuyobi.
Friday is Kinyobi.
Kinyobi.
Saturday is Doyobi.
Doyobi.
Okay. Alright. Now it's time for me to write it down in Hiragana. Okay. So Sunday through Saturday in Japanese in Hiragana it look like this, the letter in blue. So Nichiyobi, Getsuyobi, Kayobi, Suiyobi, Mokuyobi, Kinyobi, Doyobi. We are going to write them down in kanji. It might be a little difficult at this moment, but it's better to see how the Chinese character look like, so you have an idea to guess what day. So please give us a moment.
And also, when you see it, it's something you'll start to recognize. So it won't be totally unfamiliar when you see it the next time.
Okay, so this is Nichiyobi. That's kanji, is day. This is Getsuyobi. It means moon. This is Kayobi, means fire. This is Suiyobi, is water. And this is Mokuyobi, tree. This is Kinyobi, is gold. This is Doyobi, is like a ground in the soil. So when you see, for example, this Chinese character with this is Yobi, that means Wednesday, equal Suiyobi. So let's recap to see how much we learned so far. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Sunday.
日曜日、
Monday.
月曜日、
Tuesday.
火曜日、
Wednesday.
水曜日、
Thursday.
木曜日、
Friday.
金曜日、
And Saturday.
土曜日。So, you already learned 7 days a week in Japanese. I'll go super fast, okay? Ready? 日曜日、月曜日、火曜日、水曜日、木曜日、金曜日、and 土曜日。I think you got mastered and I'm very proud of you.
So, we'll see you in the next lesson. See you soon.
See you soon. Thank you for watching.